So hello friend and welcome to my YouTube channel Arena. See, in this video you can see over here that we have discussed in our previous video that how to define dictionary or how to use dictionary in Python. Now in this video we are going to discuss some operators. See, arithmetic operators we have discussed in our previous video, maybe the second or third tutorial. But now in this video I will give the link in the description of arithmetic operators, but here we will discuss about assignment operators. So please open one more page file for assignment operators. It will be named as tut 8.py. Okay, we got the new file. Okay, close the previous one, save it. Oh, it's save only. Okay, now we will name this file as an assignment operators, and we will discuss over here what are the assignment operators in Python. Assignment operator means some tasks or some assignments to be done within a simple typing. Means you won't have to type a lot. Don't need to be typed. For example, if we are writing over here x is equals to 2 and y is equals to, oh, sorry for that, small caps, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3, sorry, y is equals to 3 and z is equals to something like x plus y. It will be so hectic over here, and then we will print it out. So when then we will print it out like this, print print z, open and close small brackets, and then z. It would be a lot hectic one. You won't be able to do these all things in such a programming or coding environment, because in a coding environment you need to do something in a quick manner, in a fast time. So we use assignment operators to make it as simple as you can. Okay, as simple as you can, because you have to do something like codings of about thousands or 2000 lines. So how you can do it even with these all hectic codes? So now we will discuss all the assignment operators related to the arithmetic operators and not related also. Means even it is not related, then also those are assignment operators, and those assignment operators are going to be discussed over here in this video. So the first assignment operator is x is equals to 7. Let us assume x is equals to 7. Then the first assignment operator is x is equals to, means the equals to sign is the main assignment operator. Now I will write some coding over here. X plus is equals to 2. So what does it means? It means that, comment mark, open and close small brackets, it means that x is equals to x plus 2. So here in this assignment operator, x plus is equals to 2 means that x is equals to the value of x which was predefined, means it is 7. When we are predefined in second line that x is equals to 7, then x is equals to 7 plus 2 means it will be 9. So we will print the output over here. Print, open and close small brackets, and x. Now run the Python file. Oh, so small. So we have to make it large, more larger. Oh, now it's okay. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. Output. See, now what is the output over here? We can see it over here that 7 is x is equals to 7 plus 2, means we are defining the next x with the predefined value plus 2 plus any number you can give it over here. So we will write some more commands over here. Firstly we will comment it out, and now copy, and we will add up something like this: minus minus over here, multiplication over here, and division over here also. Now what does it means? It means same like this. Okay, comment out, comment out, comment out. Now run Python file. 7.0, what does it mean 7.0? The outputs, all the outputs, the third line output became the input for fourth line, and fourth line output become the input for fifth line, and so on it goes over here. So I will comment it out over here and over here also and over here also. Now when I will run my Python file, then the output is 7 minus 2, that's equals to 5. So my output is 5. Now I will comment, uncomment it and run Python file. Now x 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 14. Now I will comment out this one also. I will uncomment this one, and now I will run the Python file. Run Python file. Then my output is 3.5. Now you know that how these assignment operators work over here in Python. So our next assignment operator would be x percentage is equals to 2. So we will write it over here. X percentage is equals to 2. Comment it out, open and close small brackets. It means x is equals to x percentage and 2. Okay, what does it means? You can see it over here. Run Python file. It shows the remainder part of the coding. What does it means remainder? We can divide 7 by 2 within only 6 only, means 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, and 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 6, means 1 is the remainder over here. So we got a remainder 1. So it's the output is the remainder value of this numeric value, means 7. Now comment it out and next line. What does the next line means? Next line will show us about the multiplication, how many times we can multiply the item, how many times we can multiply the item. X double slash means double divide sign and 2. So the output is 3. How it is 3? See, let us assume there is 7 and we can multiply 3 thrice to 2, then it gives the output as 6. So more than 6 we can't do it because because our range is 7, we can't exceed the range, so the internal range is 3 only. So our quotient part is 3, so the output shows the quotient value. This x percent 2 shows the output of remainder, and x double slash shows the quotient part of the numerical. Okay, now we will comment it out. We have discussed all about these things over in our previous videos. I will give the description in the link in the description box. You can see it over there, and how we have discussed about the arithmetic operators and how arithmetic operators works. It is the fully elaborated video about the arithmetic operators. Now in this one we are only discussing about the assignment operators. Okay, so x is equals to x double slash 2. Okay, so the next one is power, how we can use the power of, so x double multiplication sign is equals to 2, and comment open and close small brackets, x is equals to x double multiplication sign 2. So it shows the power value of 7. So 7 into 7 is equals to 49. So our output is 49. We can see it over here. So comment it out. Now these all were the numerical assignment operators, means you can use all these assignment or arithmetic operators for addition, subtraction, or working with any of the floats or integers over there. Some concatenation can be done over here with some of the operators like plus and minus, not minus plus. We can plus add up or concatenation of strings, but mainly these operators are for the for printing of numerical values. How we can solve all the numerical values in Python. But two more operators are over here. Those operators work with the bitwise value of the operator, bitwise operator values of the numbers in Python. or any of the strings in Python. Those are x, sorry, many times x, greater than is equals to 2. Let us assume. So what does it means? Right shift of the bitwise value of the item in Python, and x is lesser than is equals to 2. It shows the left shift of the bitwise value in Python. Left shift of the bitwise value in Python. These two things are important, but not now, because we are learning basics of the Python, and basics of the Python doesn't need this. When in the further videos we will focus on the higher or advanced values of the Python, then we will discuss about this in an elaborated way. But I don't want to skip all these things in this video, so I have defined a bit one, that how in a bitwise matter, something like the main code data of the PC, if we get something like 00120 and something like this for any value in Python or any value in coding, then the coding shifts right direction with this one twice in this coding. So we will discuss it about these all things in our further videos. So be in my YouTube channel, be in my playlist, access my playlist Python tutorial in English, and learn everything about Python. Okay, thank you.